China's deployment of more than 120 H-6K and H-6N strategic bombers is transforming the Indo-Pacific balance because Beijing can now threaten naval forces, airbases, and command networks across thousands of kilometers without crossing hostile airspace. The growing bomber force matters because a single regiment of 18 aircraft could theoretically launch more than 100 cruise missiles or dozens of hypersonic anti-ship weapons during the opening hours of a regional conflict. That capacity is forcing American, Japanese, Australian, and Taiwanese planners to reconsider the survivability of carrier strike groups, forward airbases, and logistics hubs throughout the first and second island chains. Chinese military analysts have simultaneously argued that the H-6K and H-6N provide the People's Liberation Army Air Force with a strategic sword capable of denying foreign navies access beyond Taiwan and the South China Sea. The fleet currently consists of approximately 110 H-6K bombers and more than 12 H-6N aircraft, giving China the largest modern bomber force in Asia and a scale unmatched by regional competitors. By combining more than 120 bombers with aerial refueling, satellite targeting, maritime surveillance aircraft, and over-the-horizon radars, Beijing is creating a layered strike complex capable of overwhelming regional defenses. The result is a force designed not merely to attack targets during wartime, but to shape political calculations during peacetime by signaling that intervention would become extraordinarily expensive and militarily hazardous. As China continues expanding its long-range strike architecture ahead of the future H-20 stealth bomber, the H-6K and H-6N fleet is emerging as the central airborne component of Beijing's wider anti-access and regional power projection strategy. The H-6N variant adds a fixed aerial refueling probe and a distinctive recessed fuselage section designed to carry a much larger air-launched ballistic missile beneath the aircraft. That modification has strategic importance because it allows the H-6N to carry weapons too large or heavy for the H-6K, including potential nuclear-capable ballistic missiles derived from land-based systems. The bomber fleet therefore provides Beijing with a flexible long-range strike architecture capable of supporting conventional maritime attacks, theater-level land strikes, and potentially limited nuclear operations during escalation.